Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is a quick video. I'm just going to show you guys how I used halogen oven to bake this chicken drumstick. So this is the drumstick and it's getting seasoned with chicken bouillon. I'm going to be adding my black pepper, that is the black pepper, and that is the garlic, grinded garlic, and that is the onion powder. So those are the spices that I used. So now I'm going to mix all the spices together. I'm going to mix everything together so that it can get into the chicken. After making sure that all the spices have gotten into the chicken, I have to put it away in the fridge and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes. I am now arranging the chicken into the rack of the halogen oven. I only use this when I'm making a little quantity of chicken, and this also is very easy to cook. This chicken is going to be ready in less than 2 hours, and it cooks in a way that it drains out all the oil from the chicken and it makes it very crispy. So I'm setting it at 2 minutes on a 350 degree Fahrenheit. So the chicken is in the halogen oven and is cooking. When you look close to it, you see that the oil in the chicken are draining out. It drained out almost a cup full of oil. And it comes out very, very crispy. I like to use this when I have a little quantity of chicken to prepare. It's very easy to cook. This was cooked in less than 2 minutes. And here the chicken is ready. Looking yummy. If you have this halogen oven, try it and you will understand what I mean. So the chicken is ready. Thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate. Please do not hesitate to like, share, And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I really do appreciate if you do. Thank you so much, and you all have a blessed day. I will see you in my next video by the grace of God. Bye bye.